Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your locked games on your PlayStation 5. So we want to go up to the top and then go to right and go to settings. Then go on down to where it says users and accounts, and then go on down to other. Then go to the right and go to restore licenses. Restore licenses for downloaded games that you can't use. So let's go to this. And if you become unable to use a game you bought through the PlayStation Store, try restoring the licenses. So let's go to restore right now, then close down your game. And it's going to take about 2 to 5 minutes, depending on how many games or licenses that you need to restore. I have about 1,151 to restore, so it could take me a little bit of time. But most of the time when there's a lock symbol next to my game, restoring the licenses fix this issue. Okay, so my licenses are now restored. Let's go to OK. Now, another thing that you can try is going to console sharing and offline play. Allow anyone who uses this PS5 to play your games and media. So let's select this and make sure this is enabled. So mine says disabled because I already have it enabled. Now you could try going to disable and then re-enabling it and then back out. Another thing that you could try is going to sign out. Then you will have to log in with your sign-in email address and password with your PlayStation account. Now, if that doesn't work, go on over to your game that you're having an issue with. Then what you want to do is select delete on it. So let's go to delete Minecraft. Then we want to re-download it back to our PlayStation. So let's go over to the game library. Then on the top, let's go to where it says your collection, your purchased games, and then locate the game under here. So I'm going to go to the sort option and go to most recent. And then here is Minecraft right here. Let's re-download it back to my PlayStation 5 and then install it. And most of the time, this should fix the issue doing one of these steps. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.